I was able to meet up with Mike from minibike's garage. He came to Texas. He brought his CT70 that I've been following the whole build since the beginning when he started with the 99-cent frame that Terry here in Texas told him about. So I get to talk to the man. I get to ride it around the block. And this is too much. Let's just go into it. Whew.
Yep, I remember.
Okay, so
down. And it's
okay, so the lever on your left is a shift, and that's
This
down. So right now neutral is
down, all the way down. Okay, and
the other side, I usually pull up on it. You can push it or pull it. It shouldn't engage.
awesome.
I usually just downshift and let off the gas, and it kind of slows itself down.
All right, this is gonna be fun.
You kind of got to slam it a little bit. So there you go.
Oh man, this is, you guys are in for a treat. This thing is awesome. So Mike from Minibike wow. Mike from Minibike's garage. Mike, wow, that's a handful. Came by and oh my, I am so excited. Like, you guys don't even know. I've been wanting to ride this for forever. This is so cool. Oh man. So I'll get you guys to see it around. I'll do a walk around with this. It just looks so good. Oh my god. Like, I've been so excited. I don't think you guys realize, maybe you guys can hear how excited I am. Oh shit. I don't think you guys see how excited I am. It's just hard. There's no brakes. This is the brake, so it's got suicide shift, which is down all the way. It's got a brake, so it does slow down. You can go up or down on it. I should have, yeah. Oh man, this bike, I saw it built. He got this frame for like 99 cents off of eBay, if I remember correctly. He tore it apart. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see the whole build series, just because it's such a good bike. Oh man, it is such a fun bike. I did not think he was gonna be able to come. He was supposed to come last winter in November, but he did have he bought like a little house that he was renovating with his daughter, and obviously that took priority. All right, we are in neutral. There you go, first gear. So yeah, shift down, off the throttle. It's a bit hard to get used to. It just has a rear brake. There's no front brake. It's just a rat rock CT chop. I'm just used to using a clutch or just, you know, doing nothing else. What's that first? Wow, that is. This is so fun. Oh my god. All right, we good?
I tried to use as many Trail 70 parts as possible. You know, since I started, that's the frame I started with. So the fenders, the front end, headlights off a newer model than what the frame is. But, you know, let's try to go with that style. Handlebars.
And even the levers are Honda.
Yeah, they're Honda wrenches. Yeah. And then the exhaust is off. My son bought that for like $10 at a Harley swap meet. That little muffler. And then I know the back tire is off a Honda ST90. I think the front tire is off a SL70. But as you can see, I didn't clean them up. I didn't.
It's great.
That engine that's in it, that Life in 125. I used to have a little SL70 race bike, a little dirt bike that we used to do some. We used to have a thing in Indianapolis called Gonzo Cross, and it was like a little motocross thing for pit bikes and that kind of stuff. Well, anyway, so that's why that engine's so dirty. I pulled it off of that bike, and I just
perfectly.
I didn't clean it up at all. I was like, well,
It's so. Thank you so much for coming over here, all the way from Indiana, just so that I could see it. I know you planned the trip to come see Terry and the other people, but
Terry,
I'm so
and
excited.
You two, the two of you were the inspiration for the thing. Don't leave yourself out of that. you were as much of an important part of this build as anybody was. You're very, very supportive, and I can't thank you enough. So
thank you.
I would post videos, and he would immediately, man, that's cool, and he would send me links of other choppers and stuff people were building. He's like, hey, look at this thing, and so that kind of incorporated a few things into this build. So. Yeah.
Yeah, well, thank you. I mean, I was just behind the keyboard. You came all the way from Indiana and brought this amazing machine over.
Well,
like, I still can't stop smiling because it was so fun riding it.
And I think if you watch my video that I'm going to post here in a little bit, as he's riding it, I made that same comment. I said, we can't see his face because he's wearing a helmet, but we know he's all smiling.
Yeah, like my cheeks were squished. I mean, the helmet's pretty new, so it already does that, but my smile made it even worse.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Well, Mike, thank you so much for bringing it all the way over here.
Oh, no problem at all. Thank you for the gifts that you gave me, you made for me. I really do
no
appreciate
problem.
it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
But yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link, like I said, in the description, so you guys can see not only this build, but Mike has a bunch of other little Trail 70s, and he actually brought along the Amigo as well, and what he calls his thirsty turtle, which is his RV. But yeah. Oh man! Until next time, guys. Keep causing a ruckus. Later.
Glad you enjoyed it. Oh, he caught it just in time. Well, we got some wicked winds here today.